everyone, welcome to week 21 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy square motif. For this, first we are going to make the chain stitches. So the chain stitches are the base, and we are going to make 20 chain stitches. So once you are done with 20 chain stitches, connect this with the first loop. So connect this using a single crochet. Then we shall proceed for row 1. So in this pattern, in cordless, we have double crochet. Instead, we'll be making a double triple crochet here. So for the first center part, I'm going to make 5 chain stitches, which is equivalent to 1 double triple crochet. So now I'm going to make 1 triple crochet into this loop. So you can consider this as this point. And now we'll be making 1 triple crochet into the upcoming stitches. So for the next 4 loops, I'm going to make 1 triple crochet. Once you are done with the 4 triple crochets, we are going to make the next corner. So while making this corner, you shall make 1 triple crochet and 1 double triple crochet. So the double triple crochet just to highlight your corner part. Okay, so here I'm making a double triple. So once this double triple is done, again you shall make 1 triple crochet. So once this corner is done, you can go to the next side. So for this, we'll be making 4 triple crochets into the upcoming 4 stitches. Now we are making the next corner. So first we are done with 1 triple crochet. Now I'm making a double triple crochet. and now again 1 triple crochet. So these are all into the same loop. So now we shall make 4 triple crochets. Now we are making the another corner. So first I made 1 triple crochet, and now we'll be making 1 double triple crochet, and 1 more triple crochet. So now another corner is also done. So now we are left with the only 4 chain. So now we are making the last side of the square. So here we are into the final triple crochet. So once you are done with this side as well, now we are going to complete the beginning. So at first in center we have started with this double triple crochet, right? So here we are going to complete it with one double triple crochet into the same loop where we have started. Sorry, 1 triple crochet into the stitch where we have started. So once this is done, you can join this using a slip stitch to the topmost chain. So now you shall see the square formed. So to increase this repetitively, you can just increase on the corners and you can make this square even more bigger. So this is how it looks like. To work on more into the project, you can just make the repeat rows and follow it. If you want, you can cut this off. So you shall cut the excess part. And if you want, you can just make this as a charm. So leave as much as yarn you want and make a knot with this loop. So you shall make a knot and cut this part and have a square motif. This is how it looks like. Hope you all like it. Thank you for watching.